Hi, I'm Paul. We're doing Leetcode must know interview questions. Today's challenge, valid, palindrome. Let's see, a phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters are letters and numbers. Return true if it is a palindrome, otherwise return false. Okay, let's look at some examples here. So this sentence is a palindrome. In order to figure that out, you're going to have to, either remove or ignore the punctuation and the spaces, but letters only, it is a palindrome. This is not a palindrome. This S equals a space character. Okay. Well, we look down here at the constraints. We're not going to get an empty string as input, but it is possible that we may get a string that doesn't have any alphanumeric characters, in which case after we remove them, it is an empty string, but by definition, an empty string is a palindrome. So there's more than one way to do this. You could, you're going to want to lowercase it at first. You're going to want to lowercase the input string. You can put a pointer at the beginning and the end of the string and move them towards the center, ignoring spaces and punctuation. See if you have a palindrome. That would work. You could use a stack to reverse the string and then compare the reversed string. What else? To me, it's easiest to just lowercase it and remove the non-alphanumeric characters up front and then reverse and compare. So let's try that. Let's do string str equals s dot to lower case. We could just reuse s, but it's not a good practice to modify your input variable. So we're going to create our own variable str, lowercase it. We are going to use a string method called replace all, and this will take a regular expression. We're going to use a regular expression, that is every character that is not, that's what the caret is for, that is not a letter or a number. We don't really need to put uppercase letters in there because we just lowercased the string, so there aren't going to be any uppercase characters. But anything that is not a lowercase letter or a number, replace it with nothing. In other words, just remove it. Okay, there is an edge case, as we saw in example 3, and that is it's possible that if we remove non-alphanumeric characters that we don't have anything left. So we might save ourselves a little work if we check at this point for an empty string and return true. All right. String. The string object in Java doesn't have a reverse method, but the string builder object does. So we can create a string builder. String builder reversed equals new string builder based on the str variable. We can reverse it. Reversed equals, no. Reversed dot reverse. Okay, so that should reverse it. We can take the reverse string back out. We can't take it back out into str because we need str for the comparison. So we'll need one more string variable. We can call it rstr equals reversed dot to string and return the result of a comparison. str equals rstr. All right. So what did we do here? So the string comes in, we convert it to lowercase, take out non-alphanumeric characters. If it's empty, return true. Otherwise, reverse it and compare to the original string. Let's try it, run it. Okay, basic test cases run, submit, and 15 milliseconds. It's kind of slow. I think these, I don't know. I think these measurements are not by programming language, and so I mean Java has some overhead. So, but anyway, that's one way of doing it. As I mentioned, there's a couple other ways of doing it. You should be comfortable. Pick a way that you like, and when you walk into a coding interview, you should be able to do this because it's a pretty common question. So that's it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and see you next time.